Welcome. Have you ever encountered the frustrating "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome? Today, we will explore simple fixes that can get you back online. First, let's look at common causes of this error. They can range from network issues and incorrect URLs to DNS problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a working network. Step 2. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any old data that might be causing issues. Step 3. Disable any browser extensions that may be interfering with your connection. Step 4. Flush the DNS cache on your computer. This can refresh your connection settings. Step 5. Change your DNS server settings to reliable services like Google DNS or Cloudflare. Step 6. Restart your router or modem to refresh your internet connection. Step 7. If all else fails, you may need to reset your Google Chrome settings to default. In conclusion, these steps should help you resolve the "this site can't be reached" error. If problems persist, consider seeking technical help.